is the UWC4. Some of the highlights with the UWC4, it's a complete fit and finish, powder coat painted, sturdy 18 gauge construction with a 400 pound capacity. It can hold up to a 300 cubic foot cylinder as displayed here, or by flipping these two brackets, you can hold two 150 cubic foot cylinders. Has a large top and bottom shelf with an 18-inch clearance, ideal for storage for another welder or plasma cutter, or just extra storage for equipment. If we remove the top cylinder storage brackets, it can be configured to hold a separate wire feeder.